Hi guys, it's Charmaine coming to you with Manduka's Yoga Mat Wash and Refresh Lavender Scent. And it does smell lovely. And why I like this is not only does it cleanse the mat for me, but it has a nice fragrance to it with the lavender. So especially if you're doing your yoga in the mornings, or maybe better yet in the evening. In the morning, you may want to be more amped up. But if you're doing, say, an evening or restorative practice, I'm a 200-hour yoga instructor, certified. So if you are doing that, this is a nice scent. So as you're moving over and around on your mat, the lavender smells great. It also works well to cleanse it. You can just, after every use, you can just spray it on. And if you wanted more of a deeper cleanse, spray it on a lot more and then wipe it with a cloth and it blends right in. I have been using this for years. I'm almost finished. And what I think about this is it dries well. It has not damaged any of my mats. I have mats that are extra thick than regular mats. I use this not only on my yoga mat, but on my Pilates mats. And I am a 600-hour certified Pilates instructor. So I know the importance of, after a sweaty workout, you want to have something that's clean. And this again is the Manduka Yoga Mat Wash and Refresh. I love it. It smells great. Perfect for keeping your mat or mats refreshed.